If you want Steam games to auto-update on your PC, this quick guide will show you the exact settings to use so your games stay up to date without you having to manually check for updates. This is especially useful if you play a lot of different games and want Steam to handle updates in the background for you. And before we jump in, please hit like and subscribe for more easy PC tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Steam on your PC. In the top left corner, click Steam and then click Settings. This opens the main Steam settings menu where you can control update behavior for your entire library. Once the settings window opens, go to the Downloads tab. This is where Steam keeps the options for automatic updates, download timing, and background activity. Now look for the section called Updates to Installed Games. Here, you want to choose the update behavior that works best for you. If you want Steam to manage updates automatically, select Let Steam decide when. This gives Steam the flexibility to download updates when it thinks it's the best time. If you prefer a more controlled option, you can choose Update only at game launch. That means Steam will wait until you open the game before applying the update, which can be helpful if you don't want random downloads happening in the background. Next, check the option that says Only Auto-Update Games Between. If you want your games to update at any time of day, make sure this is turned off or unpushed. Turning this off removes the time restriction and lets Steam update wherever it needs to. Then make sure Allow Downloads during gameplay is turned on. This is a really useful setting because it allows Steam to continue updating other games while you are playing something else. If you turn this on, Steam can keep working in the background without stopping your downloads every time you launch a game. After you've adjusted those settings, Steam will now be much better at handling updates automatically across your library. That means fewer interruptions, less manual checking, and a smoother gaming experience overall. Just remember, these settings apply globally, so they affect your whole Steam library, not just one game. If you ever want to change the behavior later, you can always come back to the same Downloads tab and adjust the options again. So that's how to make Steam games auto-update on PC. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tech videos, and I'll see you in the next one.